Page 3, what up? 24 through 27 is all about those graphs, so let's take a look. 24, you're looking at y equals 3x plus 5. In slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. The 3 is telling me the slope is 3 over 1. The 5 is telling me I have a y-intercept of 5. A y-intercept of 5 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. The slope of 3 tells me I can go up 1, 2, 3, and over 1 to get a point. 1, 2, 3, over 1 to get another point. Or I can go down 3 and back 1 to get another point if I wanted to. But my line will look like that. Arrows on the end. They go forever. 25. And we're going blue. Gotta go blue. 25 is talking about 6x minus 2y equal to 10. I'm all about those intercepts on this one. It's in standard form. Standard form is all about getting those intercepts. So that means to find the x-intercept, I'm going to plug in 0 for y. To 10. Well, it equals 0, so that's basically gone. 6x is equal to 10. I'm going to get a decimal here, but you get an x-intercept of basically 1.6 repeating. So an x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis, right between 1 and 2, a little bit closer to 2, about right there. Y-intercept's the same except opposite. The y-intercept is going to be where it crosses the y-axis. That's where I plug in 0 for y. I said that wrong. 0 for x. Idiot. 6 times 0. It gone. Negative 2y equals 10. Y equals negative 5. That means I have a y-intercept of 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5. You have 2 points. You can graph your line. Okay. Alternate way to think about it would be getting x by itself. Sorry, y by itself. By subtracting 6x on both sides. And dividing by 2. All of that gives you, we'll go off to the side here. All of that would give you y equals 3x minus 5. Let's see if that's what I'm looking at. Y-intercept of 5, up 3 over 1. Yep. Bingo, bango, bongo. 26. Did you notice right away? It's not an equal sign no more. No more child's play. Time for the big leagues. Y less than 4x minus 5. Similar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y-intercept of negative 5 is my starting point. Slope of 4 over 1 tells me 1, 2, 3, 4, up 4 over 1. 1, 2, 3, up 4 over 1. Get that dash line. Let's go. Dash line. I got to decide what side to shade on, so I'm going to test a point and see if this is a solution or not. 0, 0 is the easiest point to test. So I'm going to plug in 0, 0 into this inequality and see if it makes sense. I would get 0 is less than 0 minus 5. Is 0 less than negative 5? No. So my test point is a no. I'm going to shade on this other side. It's always bluer on the other side. Get it? See what I did there? Moving on, 27. We got 2x minus y greater than or equal to 7. Here's what I'm going to do with this. When I see the y is almost by itself, so I'm going to get it in slope-intercept form. All I have to do is subtract 2x on both sides. Get negative y greater than or equal to negative 2x plus 7. The y is not completely by itself. It's got that negative there, so I divide by negative 1. Sign flip. 2x minus 7. 7's my y-intercept. By that I mean negative 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 7. Up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Give me that solid line. Ooh, nice arrow there by me. I got to do a test point here. Basically 0, 0. I'm going to plug in 0 and 0. Get 0 is less than or equal to negative 7. Nah, man. Nah, brah. So I shade on the other side since it was a no. Now you could have, if you're all about that standard form. All right, I see you, I see you. Do people still say that? Anyways, you could find your x-intercept by plugging in 0 for y, 2x equals 7. So you get an x-intercept of 3.5 and get your y-intercept by plugging in 0 for x. You'd end up with negative y equal to 7, y-intercept of negative 7. It's the same thing, y-intercept of negative 7. My x-intercept's right at 3.5. So whatever floats your boat, man, it's cool. 28. Coming right up. Let me get to the page. We've done all those, done all those, done all those. Good. All right. 28. Vertical line, always x equals. It always has a, at any point on this line, think about it. Think about it. Any point on this line would have an x value of negative 3. Hence, x equals negative 3. 29. Let's play clue. Let's look for clues. What are important things about a line? Good. The y-intercept. Looks like I have a y-intercept of negative 2. Slope's also important, Mr. Lauritsen. You're right. Good job. Slope of this line looks like it's up 3. No, 1, 2, up 4 over 3. So I got that slope of 4 over 3. Yeah, he's walking uphill. Displaced hip. So, back to my clues, I need to look for a line that has a slope of 4/3 and a y-intercept of 2, negative 2. Boom. 30. System of equations. No more child's play. We're solving more than one equation at once. Big deal, I know. Looks like we got different methods to solve, but it looks like this one's set up for elimination because everything's in nice, neat columns. Column, column, column. So, it's all about that magic pair. How am I going to get the magic pair? Looks like I got negative 8x. I can make that into a positive 8x. Watch me, watch me. Ooh, watch me, watch me. Oops. I shouldn't wrap and do math at the same time. Just multiplying by 8. Negative 8x minus 3y. I didn't touch the top equation. It's cool. Bottom equation, I changed it, made it better. 40y equals 96. Scooch over. Once I have my magic pair, I add up my columns. Boom, it's gone. 37y equals 111. It's an elementary equation. Solve that all day, divide by 37. I get y equals 3. Hey, stop celebrating, you're not done yet. You got to find out what x is. You go back into whatever equation looks easiest to you. Can't decide. Oh, I choose the bottom equation. That bottom equation is x plus 5y equals 12. But Mr. Lordson, we know what y is. Great point. It's actually 3. We just found that out. So, x plus 15 is equal to 12. Subtract 15. Boom, give me that, -3. What answer has -3, 3? Answer D. $31, last one of the page. Also set up for elimination. And look at there, a little holiday cheer for you, a little early Christmas present. You already got a magic pair. So you can go ahead and add up your columns. Looks like that first column adds up to -5x. And the last column adds up to -20. The middle columns go away. I got a simple equation. Ain't no thing. Divide by -5. So I get x is equal to +4. I learned my lesson. I'm not celebrating until I get my y value. I'm going to choose wisely. But yeah, let's go bottom equation. X minus 2y equals -12. I know what x is. It's 4. So I substitute it in. Solve from there. Subtract 4. Subtract 4. Get -2y. Don't forget that negative. Come on, people. Equals -16. Divide by -2. Looks like y is equal to 8. Isn't that great? It's getting late. All right. That's answer A. That's page 3.